of the blizzard announced that school was closed. The snow had blocked the doorways, the roads had all been froze. So we all let out a loud scream, hooray, no school today. No reading, math, or writing, we've got all day to play. On the second day of the blizzard, my mom could barely speak. She said the superintendent had canceled school all week. Though my mom looked sad and gloomy, we didn't feel the same. More time to watch the TV and play our video games. On the third day of the blizzard, it came as quite a shock. Electricity had gone off, it even stopped the clock. Though at first it was exciting, we soon began to see there'd be no video game playing, we couldn't watch TV. On the fourth day of the blizzard, this thing was growing old. We walked around with flashlights, the entire house was cold. We couldn't even go outside, the snow was much too high. So we sat around in darkness and we all began to cry. On the fifth day of the blizzard, the snow began to melt. We wished it would all disappear, that's just the way we felt. Though it might seem that we're crazy, we hoped for school again. We really missed our teacher, our classmates, and our friends. On the sixth day of the blizzard, electricity returned. The person on the TV had news for all concerned. The schools would open tomorrow, the roads had all been cleared. And at that very moment, my family began to cheer. So let this be a lesson for all of you that say we really want a blizzard to close our school one day. With everything that happened, when all is said and done, the 6 days of a blizzard are really not much fun. The 6 days of a blizzard are really not much fun.